All right, for this lesson, we are going to be taking a look at some more Latin root words. So Latin is a language that some words in English come from. And remember, if we understand some of their roots, it can help us understand some of the words in English since they come from Latin. So, for example, the root odd, O-U-D, means hear. So if we have, for example, the word audible, that means something you can hear. There's even a company named Audible that has things that you listen to, like books. Or the word audience, people that listen to a performance. Okay, so by understanding that odd has to do with hearing, that can help me know what these words mean. The next one is vis, or vis, depending on the word that it's in, means see. For example, visualize, which means like to picture in your mind, to see it in your mind. Or vision, okay, seeing something. You have vision, a certain type of vision. All has to do with how your eyes are seeing. Okay, so by knowing that vis has to do with see, that helps me know what these words mean. Next one is form, has to do with shape of some sort. Now, it's not always completely literal. So, form like transform. We're changing shapes or changing some sort of way something looks. Conform is to make yourself look a certain way, like conform to society's rules of like what color boys and girls are supposed to wear. So you're taking the shape that you're expected to look. All right. One more in this lesson. Seed has to do with go or yield. It can also be spelled C-E-E-D. For example, the word precede. Well, we know pre means before. Seed means go. So precede means like go before. Like the French and Indian War preceded the American Revolution. The French and Indian War went before the American Revolution. So by knowing these two roots, it helped me know what the word meant. Or to proceed means just to go, like proceed ahead. It's just like go ahead. So again, by knowing the root word, that can help me understand what this word is. On your assignment, make sure you notice at the bottom that you're choosing a word with each of the Latin roots and defining it. You don't have to underline anything on this one. You do still need to read it for a minute and tell me how many words you got. And then just notice that there's an assignment at the bottom that's a little different. If you need to look up a word, go ahead. If you need to ask me, go ahead. Do your best. You got it.